Good morning, and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel. The time is 8:47 a.m. Current topside temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a pleasant 68 degrees at all times. This train is inbound from Level 3 dormitories to Sector C test labs and control facilities. If your intended destination is a high security area beyond Sector C, your identity to the retinal clearance system, you must report to Black Mesa personnel for processing. Do not attempt to open the doors until the train has come to a complete halt at the station platform. In the event of an emergency, passengers are to assistance arrives. Remember, more lives than your own may depend on your fitness. Please contact Black Mesa personnel for further information. If you have an associate with a background, missing a scheduled urinalysis or radiation checkup is grounds for immediate termination. If you feel you have been exposed to radioactive or other hazardous materials in the course of your duties, contact your radiation safety officer immediately. Now arriving at Sector C test labs and control facilities.
Good morning, Mr. Freeman. Looks like you're running late.